Through this video, you will know how to properly use the horizontal hydraulic jack. Before using a jack to jack up a car, the vehicle should be parked on a level, on solid horizontal ground. Pull the handbrake to prevent the vehicle from sliding or jackknifing. Easy installation of the press bar, easy to use. After inserting the lever into the lifting handle, turn the release valve clockwise until it does not turn. Tighten the bolts securing the pressure rod. Put the jack under the car and prepare for the lifting operation. Operate the handle up and down to make contact between the jack pallet and the car chassis. Chassis contact point must be the load point of the car. Continue to operate the handle to lift the vehicle to the desired height with the jack. At this point, you can start repairing your vehicle. After repairing the car, you need to lower the car to the ground. Hold the handle tightly with both hands, so that your hands don't slide. Slowly turn the handle counterclockwise, allowing the vehicle to be safely lowered to the ground. Once the vehicle is fully lowered, you can remove the jack. Note: tighten the oil return valve after use to save.